G'day, it's Tony from GME. In this video, we're going to help you decide whether you need a GMRS handheld or a GMRS mobile radio. So you've decided to buy a GMRS radio, which is great, but you may be trying to decide, well, do I need a handheld? Do I need a fixed mount radio? What are the benefits of the fixed mount, or can I just make do with a handheld? So we're going to give you a couple of little tips which will help you decide which model is best for you. Starting with a handheld, a GMRS handheld radio is a fantastic starting point for your entry into the GMRS world. And there's a couple of unique benefits about a handheld radio. Most of all, they're highly portable. Everything you need is in the radio itself. There's no additional bits and pieces or accessories that you need to get started. The battery and belt clip is supplied with the radio, and that is your all-in-one communication solution. Now, of course, being highly portable, it means that you don't need to be with your vehicle to operate a GMRS handheld radio. If you decide to go for a hike, you can take the radio away from your vehicle with you. But being a handheld, there are a couple of significant limitations, starting with the antenna. Now, GMRS communication is line of sight. So the higher you can have your antenna, the better your possible transmission distance will be. Now, of course, given a handheld radio does have some limitations in terms of how physically large an antenna we can place on it, a mobile radio with an externally mounted antenna is always going to give you greater possible transmission distance. So really, you need to decide how you're going to be using your GMRS radio, whether or not you need maximum transmission range, or whether it's just for staying in touch with your group over a smaller area. Now, of course, being a handheld, there's no external power source, so you need to remember to charge the battery. The XRS handheld has great battery life, but it is a consideration if you're going to be on extended journeys that you will need to charge the radio at some point throughout that journey. And last but not least, with portability comes risk. Yes, you can carry a handheld wherever you go, but they also have a habit of getting dropped. Now, whilst our radios are mil standard and IP67 rated, if they do experience too many drops and knocks, it can affect the overall performance of the radio. Now, moving into the mobile radios, we're talking about vehicle-mounted radios specifically, and there's a number of inherent benefits that come with stepping up to a mobile GMRS radio. I've already mentioned the externally mounted antenna being a huge benefit for a mobile radio, and it's absolutely critical. Having a large, higher gain, externally mounted antenna on your vehicle means you're going to get the maximum possible transmission distance out of your radio system. And of course, given that the radio runs off your vehicle's 12-volt power system, it means you never need to worry about charging the battery. As long as your vehicle's battery's charged, your GMRS mobile will be ready to go. So really, how do you decide whether you need a handheld radio or you need a mobile radio? And really, it comes down to how frequently you're going to be using your GMRS radio. If you're someone that's constantly out on overlanding trips and you're on adventures every other week, then it's probably worth installing a dedicated mobile radio system in your vehicle. If you're a more casual user and you might only go away on a camping trip once or twice a year, then a GMRS handheld is a great starting point for you. Now, of course, if you're not just an overlander and you also enjoy participating in activities like hiking, then having a mobile radio in your vehicle back in the parking lot is probably not going to be the most useful setup for you. In which case, maybe a GMRS handheld is the right starting point. Now, if you've got any other questions, drop a comment below and one of the team will get back to you. Or if you want more information on the whole range of GMRS radios from GME, head to gmeus.com.